All right, fourth, fifth, and sixth graders, here's your odd little word of the week. And then right after I give the definition, I'm going to talk about your grammar worksheet for this week. So our word this week is dub, D-U-B, and it's a verb, so an action word, and it was first used during knighting ceremonies in like medieval times. So when people would become a knight, they would kneel, and then the king or queen or whatever would put the sword on one shoulder and then the other. That's called dubbing. So once they do that, they say, I dub you the knight. And then they'd say, like, this is Sir so and so. So, dubbing officially means to give a new name or title to someone. So, that is the odd little word for this week. It's an interesting one. I'd heard the word, but I never, actually knew what it meant. And then your grammar worksheet this week is another homophone. So we did there, and there, and then we did your and your. Now we're doing to, and to. So to, which means it's a preposition. So like you're going to school, you're going to your bedroom, you're going to do your chores. And then there's too, which means also. So like I want to go to, like that's too. Or it also works if you say, I had too many of my grandma's cookies, which I do often actually. But that too is too as well. Like if you have too many, or you're also doing it too. So there's kind of two ways you can use that one. And then obviously there's two, which is the number 2, and you will get a worksheet similar to the your and your worksheet where you just delete the one you don't need and then keep the one that's there to finish the sentence, or you can just fill in the blank. So that's your grammar worksheet for this week. If you have questions, please let me know. I know that homophones can be confusing, and that's something I would really like us to know. Those are important to know. So that way when you're writing when you're older on Facebook or whatever, you know exactly what you're saying, you know the spelling. It's important for a lot of things. So that is your grammar for week 3.